Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the road segmentation and pothole using machine learning. So in that project you either have to upload any input video or image to that machine learning model, and it will make the segmentation of road and the pothole. For the road it will show in the green color, okay, and for the pothole it will show in the orange color. So this is the complete project, and this project developed using Python programming language and machine learning model used to train the model, and Yolo V8 algorithm to develop it. Okay, so this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in machine learning, deep learning, Python, Java, Android, and many other technologies. If you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. Or if you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. So this is the complete project. Let's go through the complete video. So we have given that particular input video only shows that road. Now in the output it shows the with the segmentation of road and the pothole. This is the complete project. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.